Up the van thing.
Breakers are set. Emergency generators are on standby.
Good, because if we blow the grid, I don't want to lose Tiny here in the 1950s.
Excuse me?
He's kidding. I can't say things.
It was a bad joke.
You were kidding, right?
I have no idea, man. We're talking about time travel here. Either it's all a joke or none of it is. We're good. Get your helmet on. Scott, I'm gonna send you back a week, let you walk around for an hour, then bring you back in 10 seconds. Make sense?
Perfectly not confusing.
Good luck, Scott. You got this.
You're right. I do, Captain America.
On a count of three. 3, 2, 1.
Guys, this doesn't feel right.
What is this?
What's going on? Scott? That's Scott?
Yes, it's Scott.
My back. What is this? Hold on a second. Can I get a little space
Yeah.
here? I just gotta get
Bring
over
him back?
I'm working on it.
It's baby.
It's Scott.
As a baby.
He'll grow.
Bring Scott back.
When I say kill the power, kill the power.
Oh my God.
And kill it!
Somebody peed my pants.
Oh, thank God.
But I don't know if it was baby me or old me. Or just me.
Time travel! What? I see this as an absolute win.
Why the long face? Let me guess, he turned into a baby.
Among other things, yeah. What are you doing here?
It's the EPR paradox. Instead of pushing Lang through time, you might have wound up pushing time through Lang. It's tricky, dangerous. Somebody could have cautioned you against it.
You did.
Oh, did I? Well, thank God I'm here. Regardless, I fixed it. A fully functioning time-space GPS. I just want peace. Turns out resentment is corrosive, and I hate it.
Me too.
We got a shot at getting these stones, but I gotta tell you my priorities. Bring back what we lost, I hope, yes. Keep what I found, have to, at all costs. And maybe not die trying. Would be nice.
Sounds like a deal. Tony, I don't know.
Why? I made it for you. Plus, honestly, I have to get out of the garage before Morgan takes it sledding.
Thank you, Tony.
Will you keep that a little quiet? Didn't bring one for the whole team. We are getting the whole team. Yeah?
We're working on that right now.